Hi friends, welcome to the channel Trading Strategies. Today is 2nd July 2020. So tomorrow, that is 3rd July 2020, how the trade plan for Nifty, Bank Nifty and two stocks we will discuss and we will analyze and how to trade tomorrow. Two stocks, one is HDFC, another is Tata Power. Two stocks we will analyze and we will have a trade plan for these two stocks and also for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Straight away we will go to the technical chart of Nifty. This is the technical chart of Nifty daily chart. If you see today, so it closed at 10,551. Today it formed a gap up open and the gap is not filled. So this gap area will give a decent support tomorrow and also coming days. So 10,480 and 10,450. This 30-50 point area will give a decent support to the Nifty. So today it tried to close above high of this candle. Now see where that happened. So this is the levels we are discussing from last couple of days. At high side 10,553 and the low side is this one. Yesterday we draw this zone is 10,553 and 10,480. So if you see this is the supply area. Yesterday we discussed. Today the candle closed in the supply with a green candle and a bullish candle. In supply, if it is a bullish candle, the momentum may be upside only. And also a small gap formed today. That gap area will give a decent support. So we have to trade on breakout tomorrow. Today high is, let's see, today's high 10,598. If breaks 10,598, then our target is 10,700 and 10,750 kind of levels. We discussed several times this area. So this area will test probably very soon. So 10,000. Before that there is one more small gap here. So this 10,750 and 10,800 area will give some sort of resistance because of this momentum. So here we can get some pause and the ultimate target may be around 11,000. So these levels we have to watch carefully. So whenever we are buying somewhere around 10,300 or 350 kind of levels, we are supposed to take out our profits at 10,750 kind of levels. So around 400 points profit from here. So that way we can trade. The momentum is up only. If you see the trend line, this the trend wise it is the decent uptrend, right? So it has not given any breakout the trend line. So the trend is up. So until unless it breaks this trend line, then only we can consider as a trend weaken. So until then the momentum is up, our target is here, right? Now we'll see how to trade tomorrow intraday. So go to 15 minutes chart. So this is the 15 minutes chart of Nifty. So this is the today's momentum. If you see today's momentum also, the descent trend, see here the trend line, right? So now this is the rally. small correction, rally, small correction. So this area will give you decent support tomorrow, this area, right? So our plan is like this. So this entire area will give you a decent support. So we have to enter somewhere here around 10,500 or 510, maybe 50 points down, and keep a stop loss of 25 to 30 points and aim for a target of today's high. This is the trade plan for tomorrow Nifty. If the price opens above this and sustain above, then we can again buy and keep a stop loss of 30-35 points and aim for a 50 to 80 point target. So this is a Nifty trade plan for tomorrow. Now we'll go to see and Bank Nifty, how the trade is. This is the Bank Nifty daily chart. So if you see today's candle, this momentum stopped here because this is the supply area. Today the supply area is honored at 22,320 and from there it fall, right? So tomorrow this candle low is a decent, here is the decent support on a positional basis. For exclusively tomorrow's trade, if the price breaks 22,500, then only we can see a rally towards 23,000, right? So next target, if breaks here and continues the uptrend, then we can expect the price may move up to this area. It will take time, but it is not 1 day, 2 days. It may take a week or 10 days time. If price closes above 22,500, there is a decent rally we can expect in Bank Nifty. But exclusively for tomorrow's trade, we'll see on a 15-minute chart. See the resistance here and fall and again went up, but it doesn't tested the supply and it created a new supply area. So this is the new supply. So this is 22,170 or 180 kind of levels, and on the downside the decent support is here. This is the decent rally. So this way we can trade. So simple setup, if the price comes to 21,500, we can buy and keep a stop loss of 100-150 points and aim for a target of today's closing. The other side setup is, if price opens or comes near to this 22,200 kind of levels, sell, keep a stop loss of 100-115 points and aim for a target of today close. This is the two ways you can trade Bank Nifty tomorrow. Now we'll see two stocks. One is HDFC, another is Tata Power. This is HDFC, Housing Development Finance Corporation. It's not HDFC Bank, it is HDFC. See, if you see the momentum, this is the total consolidation. Today it has given a breakout. So in this consolidation, see in this is the supply area, it tested and today is given a decent breakout. So on a positional basis, this may go up to this level. I'll show you the level. So it rallied here and dropped and rallying now. So it tested 61.8% and again today it tested 100% of Fibonacci extension and closed above this level. So 18,885 and closed at 1889. So any pullback can be buy with a target of 1945 or 1900 we can keep as a round figure. 1945, sorry. So 1945 we can keep as a target for 1 or 2 days. So in between 1916, 1927 there is a small supply, but it is very easy to exceed this supply. So this is the positional targets for HDFC 1945 and 1983. These two targets we can keeping a stop loss of 2 days low. And for only for tomorrow intraday we'll see. See, I'll remove all the tools so that we can easily understand. See the decent rally, small pass today, and this, if any chance tomorrow it falls to this level, this consolidation area. So is the area that is a decent buying opportunity, keeping a small stop loss, right? So our entry is like this. Somewhere here we can enter at 1860 and keep a stop below today's low and aim for target of 1900. So that is the one way we can trade HDFC tomorrow. The other stock is Tata Power. This is the Tata Power daily chart. If you see today, descent momentum and breakout. So the breakout, see this 4 days consolidation and descent breakout. The breakout level, this is the breakout level, right? So now the next target is here. This is the supply. So there is a probability of testing tomorrow at 52 and 53 kind of levels. So tomorrow's trade we have to buy on dips. If any intraday dip happens, we can buy Tata Power. So this is the Tata Power. If you see today, rally, base, rally. So this base area is a decent buying opportunity if price comes to this zone, and also the breakout level. So our entry is somewhere here. A simple setup. So 48 rupees 25 paisa, and keep a stop loss of 1 rupee. Somewhere below this candle, right? So only 1 rupee stop loss, and aim for a target of 52 rupees. So around 354 rupees kind of levels you can keep a target. So that way we can trade Tata Power. So friends, thank you so much for watching this video. Every day I am analyzing Nifty, Bank Nifty, and most probably I am giving 1 or 2 stocks for trading next trading day. If you like my videos, please share it to your friends. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you.